Hello, banana lovers. Today, we're talking about something that makes monkeys very sad. Recession. But don't worry, we'll keep it simple with our favorite snack, bananas. So picture this. In Monkeyland, everyone grows banana. Banana farmers trade bananas for leaves because in our jungle, leaves are money. When times are good, banana go up. Monkeys buy more bananas, banana bread, banana milkshakes. Life is sweet. But then something happened. Maybe a big storm squishes all the banana trees. Maybe monkeys stop buying extra bananas. Suddenly, banana go down. Banana farmers can't sell as many bananas. They have fewer leaves. They can't pay their monkey helpers. Monkey helpers get sad. No leaves mean no bananas for dinner. Monkey sad. Less banana buying means even fewer leaves move around the jungle. Everyone starts worrying. What if banana never go up again? This is recession. When banana production shrinks, monkeys spend less, and the whole jungle feels gloomy. But don't panic. Monkey economies are clever. Banana farmers plant new trees. Monkey leaders try to share more leaves so monkeys feel happy again. Slowly, banana go up. Monkey happy. And that, my friends, is recession in the land of bananas.